Once upon a time, in a funny forest, lived a big, clumsy bear named Bumble Bear. He was huge but walked so slow and bumped into everything. Bumble Bear had a tiny friend, Squeaky Mouse, who was super smart and very careful. Squeaky always watched out for danger. One sunny day, Bumble Bear was singing a goofy song when squish! He stepped right on Squeaky Mouse's tail. Eek! My tail! Squeaked Squeaky Mouse. Hopping around, Bumble Bear scratched his head and said, "Oopsie daisy." Squeaky Mouse rubbed his tail. "Hemp! He thinks he can squish me?" he mumbled. "I'll teach him a lesson." Bumble Bear came bumbling down the narrow path. Oh! There was no room for a bear and an elephant. Bumble Bear tried to squeeze past, but bonk! He accidentally kicked Wobble-Trunk's giant foot. Splash! Bumble Bear tumbled right into the river with a big wet plop. He flopped around in the water like a soggy teddy bear while Squeaky Mouse giggled. "Hey, Bumble Bear, use your noggin," Squeaky Mouse squeaked. "An elephant is bigger than a bouncy castle." Wobble-Trunk looked down and saw Bumble Bear splashing like a goofy fish. "Oh no, my friend," he trumpeted. Wobble-Trunk reached down with his long trunk, scooped up the dripping bear, and plopped him on the shore. Squelch! Bumble Bear shook off the water, spraying everyone like a sprinkler. Wobble-Trunk said, "You gotta respect little friends like Squeaky and big friends like me." Respect isn't about being scared, it's about being kind, like sharing your favorite cookie. Bumble Bear blinked and nodded. "Okay, I'll be more careful. No more squishing tails or splashing in rivers." Soon, everyone called him Brainy Bear instead of Bumble Bear, and he giggled every time Squeaky Mouse rode on his shoulder. Without squishing a single tail. The end!